Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you the main three methods that I will personally recommend for you on how to use other people's content to make money legally without having any copyright. So now I will go straight to the point and share this method with you. Alright guys, so the first method I'm going to share with you is the commentary method. So what does it mean? So it means that you are going to find a material, then you are going to add a voiceover on it. That means you are going to add your own voiceover on it. So now let me show you how you can do this. So now what you are going to do, you are just going to go to our Instagram. So it might be Instagram video, it might be a Facebook video, it might be TikTok video. You just have to save the video that you want to comment on. So now guys, after saving our video, what we are going to do now, we are going to go to our InShot. So the reason why I choose InShot is that is actually free. You'll be able to remove the watermark on it, not like CapCut. CapCut is only when you are using Pro. When you are using Pro version, that is only when you have to remove the watermark. So what you do is tap on this video, then tap on new. So when you tap on it, it's going to pop you up here where you are going to choose your video. That's the video we just downloaded. Tap on it, then tap on OK over here. So after tapping on it, it's going to pop you up here. Then tap on this icon, then tap on remove watermark. So it's going to load. Then tap on Canva over here. Tap on it. After tapping on it, it's going to pop you up with size that you are going to choose. So we are going to choose on fit. So when you choose on fit, we are going to tap on OK. So now what you are going to do actually is that you are going to tap on this icon, which is the music icon. So you can do speech to voice, which I'm not going to talk about it, but I'm going to tap on this mic over here to add my voice over. So after that, you notice a countdown icon over here where you can off it, but I used to leave it on in order for me to relax, so that whenever I want to add my voice over, it will count 1 to 3 before I can talk anything I want to see. So right now I'm going to tap on record, and after tapping on record, this is how I'm going to add my voice over. Just listen. So guys, this is Ayomaf, a fast rising artist in Nigeria, Lagos. He based at Lagos, and also he got his recognition with his song titled Dealer. So under this song, he featured Fireboy DML, and many people were talking about this guy that he farmed his streaming numbers. But when I check his page, when I check his Instagram page, I found out that this Ayomaf is actually promoting his song by himself. He's not farming any numbers. So guys, I want you to judge this, and I want you to listen to his songs. Understand? This is his song that he's promoting right now, which is Tension. So now I want you to listen. So guys, after adding the voiceover, which is the comment, you notice that I played the song. You notice it that I played the song. So the reason why I played the song, if you want to add this voiceover, you want to do comment method. That is the commentary method. After commenting on the person, after commenting on the celebrity or the person you want to talk about, make sure that you play the songs that people want to hear, and don't play it to be more than 15 seconds, yes, to avoid copyright issue. So guys, this is the first method that I'm going to share with you. So the second method I'm going to share with you is very simple. So now let's move to it. So this method is called reaction method, but I'm going to say sorry, because this method is only available for the Android users, because this app I'm going to use, which is X Recorder, is only available in Play Store, which is for the Android. So iOS is not available for it. So actually this X Recorder, just go to your Play Store, then download it and install it. After installing it, then tap on it, then it's going to pop you up to this interface right like this. And after that, what I actually use this app for is that I use it to react to a video. So what I used to do is that, let me show you. I will tap on this icon over here. When I tap on this icon over here, it's going to pop you up like this. It's going to pop up some option over here. So I used to tap on camera. So after tapping on the camera, it will show your face when you want to react to a video. So now I'm going to tap on the camera. So this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to pop up. The frame is the camera is going to show when you are making the video. So this is much better when you are making reactional video. So I'm going to show you how you are going to do right now. So what you are going to do now is go to your Google Photos. So when you go to your Google Photos, what you are going to do is click on the video you want to make a reaction to it. So for example, let us go and check the video we downloaded earlier. So now, as you can see, this is the video right now. So it is much more better to make reactional video with this. I'll recommend this one for you. I highly recommend this one for you. What you are going to do is that when you come to your Google Photos, just play the video, then start making make sure that the camera, you go to the application, go through it and download it. After downloading it, enter, then make this frame to come out. So when you do that, then this is how you are going to make your reactional video. It is much better, and it's add much value. It shows that you are the owner of the video, not that maybe you are making reactional video on somebody's video. So guys, I highly recommend this. So now, for example, when I play this one now, so the first thing we are going to do, we are going to mute the first let me say like 20 seconds of the videos. We are going to mute it. You understand? We are going to mute it. Then after that, now for example now, so guys, this is Ayomaf, a fast rising artist from Nigeria. So a fast rising artist from Nigeria, which got recognition by his song, which is Dilla, featured by Fireboy DML. So people have been saying things about the guy, that how this guy just blow at once. So what's my own opinion? Alright guys, so I just have to cut off the video because it is way too long. So what you are going to do after you are done reacting on the video, and after you are done screen recording it, because when you are reacting on the video you have to screen record. So what you are going to do is just go to your InShot and edit everything you want to edit, cut off the dull moment and everything. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.